Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial on MySQL. So today in this tutorial we will learn the different string functions in MySQL. So first function is sky, ASCII. The sky function returns the sky code value of the leftmost character of the string. Return 0 if str is the empty string, return null if str is null. Here are some of the examples. So sky 0, it is returning 48. Sky of D is returning 100. Now we will see the bin function. Now we will see the bit length function. The bit length function returns the string str length in bits. Select bit length of A. So it is returning 8. Then there is a function char n. The char n using the char set namespace function returns a string consisting the character and given the integer value. This function skips the null values. Here are the here is the example. So it is returning this value. The char length function returns the str length that is measured in characters, but in this function a multi-byte character count is a single character, such as a string containing 5 2-byte characters. Now there is a concat function as well. Select char length it is returning the length as 5. Now there is a function called concatenate. Concat function which is can be used to concatenate the strings passed to this method. So it concatenated INDIA into India. You can use these functions in your SQL statement. So concat WS is also another function which concats with the separator. So for example, in this first is comma, it is used when concatenating it. So if I put the double colon here, it will concatenate it with the colon. There is a con function as well. You can read through this tutorial on this for this function. And there is a ELT function. Then export set function is there. Field function is there. X function is there, then we have the insert function is there, and insert in str is there, lower is there. So I show you the example of lower function which will convert a string to the lower case. So there is a left function which returns the leftmost characters from a given character. There is a length function which returns the length of a given string. Load is used to load a file. Then locate is to find a position of a given character inside the string. There is a lpad method, ltrim method, mix set, mid, oct, octet length, position, repeat, replace, reverse, write, rpad, rtrim, and so on. So we have lot of function inside the MySQL. Let's see the substring function here. So there are quite a lot of function that comes with SQL, and to master the SQL you should learn and practice these functions. In the description of this video I will provide you the URL of this tutorial, and you can visit this page and learn the MySQL string functions. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.